a small mascot with a big heart. The story behind Artemis 2's rise, the successful conclusion of NASA's Artemis 2 mission, has provided more than just scientific data and historic milestones. It has delivered a moment of profound human connection. As the crew splashed down in the Pacific Ocean on April 10, 2026, a small, unexpected detail captured the public's attention. Mission Commander Reed Weissman was seen carrying a plush Mascot, Rise, tucked securely onto his water bottle. More than just a toy, while mission protocols typically require that non-essential items remain on the spacecraft, Weissman made a personal exception. The Mascot, a plush moon wearing an earth-colored hat, was originally intended to stay aboard the Orion capsule. I was supposed to leave Rise in integrity, but that was not something I was going to do, Weissman shared via social media following the mission. The Mascot was not a random addition to the crew's gear. Rise was created by Lucas Yi, a third grader, through a NASA public contest. The design requirement was functional. The Mascot needed to serve as a zero-gravity indicator, a visual tool to demonstrate the weightlessness experienced by the astronauts during flight. A symbol of personal connection beyond its role as a scientific indicator, Rise has become a vessel for deep personal sentiment. The plush carries a connection to Weissman's late wife, Carol, who passed away in 2020 during the mission's lunar flyby livestream. The Artemis 2 crew, comprising Reed Weissman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen, suggested naming a lunar crater, Carol, in her honor. This connection was further cemented by the name, Carol, being inscribed on the plush, turning a mission mascot into a symbol of remembrance and resilience. The significance of Artemis 2. To understand why these small moments resonate so deeply, one must look at the scale of the achievement. Artemis 2 represents the first crewed trip to the moon since the Apollo program ended in 1972. After a half-century of uncrewed lunar exploration, this 10-day mission proved that humanity is once again capable of sending people into deep space and returning them safely to Earth. In the high-stakes, highly technical world of space exploration, the presence of Rise serves as a reminder that even in the vacuum of space, the human element, grief, joy, and memory remains ever present. Conclusion: the journey of the Artemis 2 crew marks a monumental leap in lunar exploration. But it is the small, sentimental attachment to the Rise mascot that highlights the enduring human spirit behind the science.